Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to log into Zoom. So if you're on Google or anything else, you're going to go zoom.us and enter. That's the website URL. Once you guys are in, then you can actually just go to join a meeting and you can actually put in the code that we will send to you guys. Now, any of those codes, it should be 3 digits in the beginning and then some dashes. So just make sure you have the right code. If you don't, feel free to contact us. So you don't even need a login and then you can just join. You do not have to end up having a login, and you also don't have to download it to your computer. So let's sign in and I'll show you how that works. So imagine I sign into my account. It would be the same thing if you don't. So as I go to join a meeting, I could enter that code right there, but imagine I'm just going to host a meeting to show you because I don't have a meeting to join into. And as you notice right here, when you pick join a meeting, it will say the same thing. So it will either have download and run as if you were going to add it onto your computer like any program. And you can do that to make it a lot easier for you and just have that on your computer for the next time you take class. Or if you want to do what I do, I go to open URL Zoom Launcher and you can click that and you actually don't have to download it to your computer if your computer might not have space. And then you'll have the video right there and you'll be able to join in and see your teacher like you can see me there. Awesome, so then you end the meeting. I'll show you guys how to do that. So as we make it full screen, you'll notice right here in the corner, you can end meeting and you can leave and get out of that at the end of class. So I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy taking your classes online.